Hello guys, Brian back here with a look at bone again. Boy, we were expecting a pop in this thing, especially with Shibarium getting ready to relaunch. But right now that we are up 15.87%, 19.5 cents for the day. So pretty nice jump out there, and it all attributes to this right over here. This article comes from the GWW.com. All right, it says Bone SHIBASWAP jumps by 14% in the last 24 hours. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the surge is attributed to the relaunch of the Shibarium mainnet by the Shiba Inu team. Led by primary developer Satoshi Kusama, the team has implemented new features and improvements to enhance the safety, stability, and decentralization of Shibarium, leading to increased excitement among the SHIB community. Right down here, it says the team has been working diligently to examine, test, and fine-tune Shibarium to ensure its smooth operation. The announcement of Shibarium's reactivation has sparked a renewed interest in Bone SHIBASWAP, according to its price surge. Absolutely, this thing is, when I first started covering this Bone, I really didn't have, I was doing it for a subscriber, but I can definitely see the potential in this thing big time. The low total supply of tokens, and there's definitely a big opportunity here. It says here the Shibarium, the mainnet of the Shiba Inu project, has been relaunched after thorough examination, testing, and fine-tuning by the development team. The relaunch has resulted in a 14% increase. Actually, we're up to 16% increase. Shibarium is now operational with blocks being created and transactions being made. That's awesome. So, good deal. Congratulations, everybody, because the rest of the market out there, you can see Bone. Is it the only green one? We got right down here, BGB, but that's about it. Market cap 329 million, still extremely low, up 11 notches to 99. All right, there we go, in the top 100 now. Now, if we look at this chart, we came up here and hit the what is that? $1.45. Yeah, we came up there. Now I got the support and resistance areas are labeled in yellow here. Okay, these are weekly supports and resistances. So first off, we got to break through that $1.45. All right, the daily RSI is just heading up, which is fantastic. It's not even halfway at 36. The 12-hour is getting near the top. It's at a 195. The 8 is at 100 and 100, and the 4 is at 95 and 91. Alright, so here we go. Let's zoom in here. Alright, this is on the 4-hour. I would expect this thing. Let's go out to the 8. Okay. Let's see here. Go back to the 4. If these RSIs need to come down and cool down, okay, if that's what happens here, this thing could do one of these and keep going up top here. But, whoops, sorry about that. It could pull back to the $1.37 area and consolidate a little bit until the rest of these RSIs cool off, somewhere around here, and go sideways for maybe a day or so. Or it depends. If the volume starts coming in, this thing, the first area to break would be that $1.45, and then the next area of resistance is up at $1.51. Okay, so, and of course we have support down here through. Let's look at the daily here. We have a very good area at $1.37, and we also have very good support at, what is it, $1.33. All right, so we'll go back out there to the 4-hour. So that's your main zones. This is the main one, the first one to be considered. That $1.45, that's your first major resistance, and your major support is down here at $1.37. Alright, so congratulations, everybody. I will be back tomorrow to take a look at this chart, see what we end up doing. It's hard to say with this Shibarium launch, and this thing could really start taking off, or could consolidate for a day, get some of these RSIs to cool off since they're so high up in here, get them to come down a little bit and start back up. But we have that daily just starting out, so this could end up being a really decent run here. As far as an Fibonacci, Let's put a fib on here and see where we're at. Let me open this screen up a little bit more. I want to get through that 618, 702. We hit the 618. All right, the 702 is up there at $1.49, right up here. Okay, so we would get through that with if we get through this $1.45 here first. All right, so all right, guys, thank you so much. I will be keeping a close eye on this thing, but we did get the break up like we were expecting. So I'll talk to you very soon.